I've treated thousands of patients over the last decade, and a lot of them have the same complaint. They come in, complain of tightness through their traps and in their neck, and then they get on the bed, we do a little bit of manual therapy, and they feel great, they feel free, their neck moves a lot better, they don't get headaches anymore, and then they head off back into life, and within 2 to 3 hours, their traps feel tight again, all the symptoms come back. And I've seen this pattern with hundreds and hundreds of patients, and it's usually the same thing that's causing them to get these symptoms to come up again. They don't know how to breathe, and there's reasons for that. And the good thing is you can easily fix it. When you're a baby and you're born, you naturally breathe with your stomach. If you've ever watched a baby sleep before, big belly, in and out, beautiful thing to see. But over time, might be during the first illness, might be most probably during the first illness or during activity or sport, what happens is you start to get a bit fatigued and you need to get that air in. And the way we do this as humans is we use accessory muscles. So instead of just breathing with your diaphragm, you'll start to use your trap muscles, your shoulder muscles, your chest muscles to get that little bit of extra air into your lungs. And this is the main reason why when you do get fatigued, you put your hands on your knees to gasp for air. What you're doing is you're putting yourself in a better position to use all these muscles in your shoulder girdle and in your chest to get that much needed air into your body. But what happens with time is you adapt and your body gets used to using all these accessory muscles. So when you take a deep breath in, your shoulders raise and your chest gets bigger, and none of the air is going into that lower lobes where around your stomach. And if you breathe at a normal rate, which could be 13 to 16 up to 20 times a minute, you're doing 16 reps of shrugs every minute of every day your whole life, and you're wondering why your traps get nice and tight. So what we're going to do today is we're going to teach you how to breathe properly. So when you take a deep breath in, test it now, take a deep breath in and breathe out. If your shoulders raised at all, it means you're breathing with your shoulders and you're not breathing with your diaphragm as much. So we're going to teach you how to use your diaphragm. So what I do with my patients in the clinic is I get them in a seated position, hands on your stomach, and as you take a deep breath in, I want you to think about pushing your stomach out as far as you can. So from a side view, deep breath in, it's all stomach, holding that position, and then as you breathe out, pushing the stomach in. So if you notice, my shoulders didn't raise at all, it's just movement through the stomach. It's normal for the sides to elevate as well. We call that the bucket handle effect when you breathe, but notice that it's all around this lower region that's moving and not the upper region. So as an exercise I prescribe to my patients, it's almost like meditation. Take a bit of time out of your day, about a minute, just sitting in your chair, hands on your stomach, focusing on expanding your stomach and then contracting it as you breathe in through your nose, about 7 seconds in through your nose, holding for about 4 seconds and then 7 seconds out. And this cyclical action will hopefully teach your body to unconsciously breathe more with your diaphragm, less with your traps, making your traps less tight in the long term. So anytime I feel conscious of my breathing or I remember to breathe, I use my stomach, and it has made my traps less tight, and hopefully it makes your traps less tight as well. So give that a go. If you want to make it a daily exercise, it's a good way to do meditation. It helps to clear your mind, gets you away from the screens and all the stresses of life, and it helps to kind of reset you as well. So first thing in the morning, breakfast, lunch, dinner, that's usually the best time to do it. Just give yourself a minute, focus on your breathing, and your traps should feel less tight. So if you like this kind of video, please leave a like, share it to someone who has chronically tight traps, and I'll see you in the next one.